Hi guys, if you are trying to connect an 8-bit do 02 controller with your iPhone or your iPad, the setup can be confusing because this controller supports multiple Bluetooth modes and only one of them works properly with iOS gaming and the Apple devices. So in this guide, you are going to learn the correct pairing mode and how you can fix the connection problems and what games actually support the controller on iOS. Now for iPhone or iPad, you will need to start the controller in the keyboard mode, or it would be in the D input mode depending on the application or the game. Now the most reliable method for the modern iOS version is to hold the start plus A button and keep holding until the light begins blinking. Now a common mistake is launching the controller in the Nintendo Switch mode, which often fails to pair correctly with the Apple devices. So after doing so, you just have to open the settings of your iPhone or your iPad. Inside the settings, look for the option of Bluetooth. When you are inside Bluetooth, you just have to first of all turn the Bluetooth on. Then in the My Devices section, you just have to simply look for the 8-bit do 0 in this list to appear. So when it appears here, simply tap on it in order to basically establish the connection. Now, once it is paired successfully, it is basically done. You can just restart the pairing mode on the controller if anything that is not appearing over here on this particular page. Now, even if the controller connects successfully, not every iOS game supports the external controllers. So games with the proper MFI controller support usually work best. So you can just simply check whether it is working or not. Thank you.